It's the reason why NASA had to pretend like they lost the technology to supposedly go back to the moon.
I'd go to the moon in a nanosecond. The problem is we don't have the technology to do that anymore. We used to, but we destroyed that technology, and it's a painful process to build it back again.
And why they always say that they can't leave low Earth orbit.
Right now, we only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go.
The kinds of technologies that we're testing out on Space Station are definitely helping us with our goals of going beyond low Earth orbit.
It's the reason that scientist Michio Kaku says things like this.
Usually in science, if we're off by a factor of 2 or a factor of 10, we call that horrible. We say something's wrong with the theory. We're off by a factor of 10. However, in cosmology, we're off by a factor of 10 to the 120. That is 1 with 120 zeros after it. This is the largest mismatch between theory and experiment in the history of science.
Back to the domed set of the Goyam show, the Truman Show. One day, Truman is walking outside to go to work, and a stage light that serves as a fake star falls from the mini-dome that he lives in. The light is labeled Sirius 9 Canis Major. Sirius is a real star. It's a binary star, known as the dog star and the brightest star in the night sky. This was a very important luminary to the ancients, and to this day remains a very significant, if not the most significant star to Freemasonry and the occult in general. In a book called Morals and Dogma, 33rd degree Freemason Albert Pike wrote, "The blazing star in our lodges, we have already said, represents Sirius." So when you see this, Sirius. This, Sirius. This, Sirius. A Masonic tracing board, Sirius. And look at this. Here on the left pillar we have the sun. On the right pillar we have the moon, encircled by the 7 planets of the ancients, which I have made a video called Flat Earth, 7 Planets of the Universe, Wandering Stars. Check it out, I'll link it in the description. And in the middle here, there is a stairway to Sirius. It's on the back of the dollar bill, blazing behind the all-seeing eye. And yeah, obviously it's very important esoterically. Do a search for metal balls fall from the sky, and what you find is very similar to what we see here in this scene from The Truman Show. Seems to be happening all over the place. Are these metal spheres actually fake stars in our night sky, or are they something else? I don't really know, but it's absolutely strange.
The sky is falling! The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Are you crazy?
Another thing worth researching is the NASA patent for an artificial sun. This is from the 50s or 60s. Pretty scary because it's probably already in use. I mean, is this whole world really that fake?